This one's right rear wheel bearing, Toyota RAV4. It's hard to tell because of the differential. Okay. Drive it is. Okay, just use the persuader. Alright, well, isn't that wonderful? I don't have the socket for it. So, I guess I'm going to have to go get the socket. Just let this stuff bake. I have to put the wheel on, roll it forward, so it's not in a bad spot for, you know, he doesn't want to get a ticket. Let's just move it forward. Okay, back at it. Got my 12 point. I bought a 30, 34, and a 32. Ooh. That doesn't sound that bad. That's not good. I might have to eat this one. That's not good. Not a good way to run a business. This is wrong. This is a prime example of why this is going to be the very last one that I ever do some shit like this, where I road test it and say, yeah, sounds like a right rear bearing. I have the tooling. I work with this guy, so I figured I would just check it out real quick. But now I'm gonna have to eat this if I'm wrong. He can't, I'm not gonna charge him for the friggin' part. And looking at that differential, it's kind of dry. There is a possibility that could have been the differential making the noise. Every time I turned the, loaded the right rear tire, when I would load it, it was really, really loud. Okay. That's it. Here's the moment of truth. I already know that I'm screwed. What's going on here? Wonder if the air conditioner works. I think I can hear it already. Yep. The noise is still there, and that's a misdiagnosis on my part. I didn't even really do a diagnosis. I did a road test, and when I turn the wheel, like to the left, it loads the bearing. So I figured it was the right rear because it sounds like it's coming from the back. But then after looking at all the oil that was on the differential, I started to second guess it. Pulled the bearing off. There was no noise with that bearing. So I think the sensor's still good on it, the ABS sensor. So I guess I have a spare bearing for if I ever need to do one on one of these again. Probably not, I'll just throw it out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule him next week for a diagnostic on this NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. And yes, I am going to charge him for that. I didn't charge him for the initial road test, and now I'm kicking myself in the ass for that, because I should have charged him for noise, vibration, and harshness, and I would have nailed it the first time instead of misdiagnosing it and putting in a part that the car didn't need. Of course, I'm not going to charge him for the part or the labor. I'm eating that cost. That sucks. Here's what it is. Don't guess. Test. Blue is differential. Red is left side wheel bearing. Green is right side wheel bearing. Get some speed going. You can see right there the bearing. Making a lot of noise. That differential's making a lot of noise. I'm going to turn right. Now turn left. Differential is shot. Right now I'm doing 45. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, it looks like the differential's starting first with the noise. This is going to need a rear diff and a left rear wheel bearing.